In this tutorial we are going to show you how to download, exclude, and install OctoSniff. Before downloading, let's turn off Windows Defender real-time protection. Now that real-time protection is off, click Download and save the installer to your desktop. For the smart screen pop-up, just click More Info and run anyway. If you get any pop-ups about OctoSniff running, simply open Task Manager and end any OctoSniff process and click Retry, or restart your PC. Once installed and open, we are now going to go back into Windows Defender and exclude the entire OctoSniff folder. Once excluded, you can now turn real-time protection back on.